My name is Bob North. I'm the Emergency Management Director for Gladwin County. Well, at the beginning of COVID, personal protective equipment, or PPE, was in relatively short supply, given the circumstances at the time back in March of 2020. The fire departments, the first responders, the law enforcement community were looking for equipment. Part of my job as Emergency Management Director was to help source that equipment for them. This was prior to the state, as the state was ramping up to acquire and distribute equipment for the pandemic. Through some rather rapid research, located Vantage Plastics, found out that there was a connection. Some people I knew in Gladwin County knew about Vantage Plastics and the Altman family. I reached out, indicated our need for face shields, explained the circumstances. They were able to source those for me and deliver them basically overnight. Delivered them to my office for distribution to the first responders on very short notice. The first responders and myself were pleased with the quality of the equipment, the rapid turnaround, the fine service, and that extrapolated going forward. When they started working on manufacturing their masks, they brought a prototype over, and I brought some personnel in from the various agencies to look at that. We provided them with some feedback, and we were able to provide some information to them on some improvements that we thought would be helpful. It's been an overall great experience with Vantage Plastics. The service, the time framing, the straightforward talk and discussion has been very beneficial to our first responders in Gladwin County. I'm very pleased with the interaction and the business we were able to do with Vantage Plastics.
As COVID-19 spread around the world, the demand for ventilators rose dramatically. As productions ramped up, the need for a clean, safe, secure delivery of these ventilators became a significant issue. As a material handling specialist, Vantage Plastics was called on to develop the solution by designing and rapidly manufacturing custom pallets to fill this need. These pallets can be cleaned easily for multiple uses, unlike standard wooden pallets that carry bacteria. Along with creating revolutionary products to fight back the pandemic, Vantage Plastics also produced full-body shields to help protect the patients and doctors during evaluation. Vantage Plastics, forming solutions, forming better lives, forming sustainable futures.